Hi, my name is Chris Donzelli and I'm the owner of Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning. At Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning, we provide service, maintenance, and installation work to residential Bay Area homeowners. That includes ductwork, indoor air quality, such as filtration with filtering your air, things like that. So the thing that makes us different from our competitors is the fact that we truly care about our clients. And I say that because we go over and beyond when it comes to taking care of our customers. We don't leave any client behind. If they have no heat or no air conditioning, we'll work it out with them to be able to provide them with heating and air conditioning, whether that be payment terms or doing things actually at no cost sometimes, just to get some clients heat or air. Our staff consists of installers and service technicians, as well as we have comfort advisors that would come into your home and make an analysis of your home to figure out what you would actually need if you were looking to replace a system. We're always looking for technology to help us help our clients. So we've invested heavily in software and gadgets like the iPads and the wireless printers, things like that, so our clients can have their invoice emailed to them or printed on site. So if you find yourself needing heating and air conditioning work for your home, don't hesitate to call Perfect Star Heating and Air Conditioning. We keep you in your comfort zone. Thank you.